Well, this is actually a brand new way to build an online business with YouTube Shorts. Without recording anything with the camera and without even showing your face in front of a camera. You can literally just copy and paste this, and it's actually a brand new method to do this. So we have never talked about this YouTube Shorts monetization option, and no one has ever revealed this publicly on YouTube. And I want to walk you through the entire process step by step on exactly how you can do it yourself, and you will see exactly why this is extremely unique. So if all that sounds good enough, then make sure to drop a like down below so we can get to 2,000 likes as soon as possible. And let us actually begin with a step-by-step tutorial. Before we go any deeper, I want to show you my monthly earnings, and as you can see, I made $29,000 in last 30 days. If you want to leave your 9-to-5 job and wants to make money like me, just check out my first link in description. Watch my free video. I will personally help you to earn $30,000 in a month. You will get your first sale in just 24 hours. How good is this? Just check out now. Now, first of all, what are actually YouTube Shorts? Well, YouTube Shorts are honestly just YouTube's version of TikTok. Those vertical form up to 60 seconds long videos that you see pop up all over YouTube platform. So they're basically like shorts, fast-paced and engaging, and they quickly get millions of views. A lot of people love watching these videos because they are kind of addictive. So YouTube Shorts themselves are pulling hundreds of billions of views to the platform, and there's literally 27 million channels that in total have posted over 507 million videos so far. So over 500 million YouTube Shorts are out there so far. Now, how do you actually make money from YouTube Shorts without even starting a channel yourself? So you don't have to start a YouTube channel. You don't have to publicly post those YouTube Shorts on your channel. But you can build $1,000 per day online business with this. Well, you see, if you open up a channel like, for example, Viral Quinn, who is reposting TikToks as YouTube Shorts. Now, that's not what you will have to do, right? I'm not just going to tell you go to TikTok, download videos and post them onto YouTube or whatever. It has nothing to do with that, right? I just want to show you that because they are doing this. They're getting millions of views, and they grew their channel from 0 to almost 1 million subscribers because people love watching these videos, and they've been doing this for a while. And you see why this is actually okay. Like, why it is okay to actually repost TikTok from some creators is because they actually give them credit. And they're basically promoting their TikTok accounts through this YouTube channel, and in return they're growing their own YouTube channel with this. So it's a win-win for both. And now there's going to be so many people mad in the comments like, "No Dave, that's like stealing videos. That's not okay." And just ignore them, because that's honestly them just finding excuses. Why not start an online business? But this can actually be extremely profitable and also good for both sides. Like, these creators would obviously take down all of these videos if they were not satisfied. But they are actually satisfied because they are getting free promotions and free ads on YouTube as well. Like, they're posting TikToks and now someone comes and promotes them for free. Of course, they're going to be okay with that. So yeah, like those guys that are just complaining in the comments, just ignore them. They're just looking for excuses. And you shouldn't be looking for excuses. You should be looking at how can you actually take advantage of this and make as much money as possible, because that's what you came for. So what you want to do right now is you want to find a channel like this that is basically like reposting TikTok. So that is posting like entertainment type of content that has a chance to get a lot of views, because if you store it by most popular videos in this channel, you can see that some literally have 250 million views, 100 million views, 84 million views, like hundreds of millions of views on single videos. So now that you know that those types of videos have a potential to go extremely viral, what you can simply do is you can copy the link of one of these videos. I'm going to copy a link address of this random YouTube short right over here. Then what you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in YouTube to MP4 download, because you want to download those YouTube shorts, and you will see exactly how that's going to make you money. So I'm going to use this tool right over here because I've been using in the past. Let's see if it's going to work, because sometimes like these tools work and sometimes they don't. So you will have to test out which one works for you and which doesn't. Let's say this is actually going to load. If it doesn't, I would just go back to Google and type in YouTube to MP4 again and just find a different one. Alright, we can actually probably download this one. Yeah, it has been downloaded to my computer. Alright, this one works. Now you might be using a different platform, but it's pretty much the same thing. You just paste your YouTube Shorts link, you click, it converts to MP4, and now you can just press the download button and it's going to be onto your computer. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to find some affiliate offer to promote so you can actually monetize these YouTube Shorts that you are downloading. So don't worry. Once again, I'm not going to tell you to re-upload these YouTube shorts into your own channel because you don't have to start a YouTube channel yourself. You don't need a YouTube channel for this. What you want to do is you want to press register on CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a platform where you can find a lot of different CPA offers. So you can just create an account for free in like 5 to 10 minutes. And CPA stands for cost per action, which means that the offers that you are referring people to are mostly offers where they don't even have to spend any money. They don't have to buy anything in order for you to make money. So basically, because it's cost per action, you're being paid when someone completes a certain action, which in most of the cases is just entering their email address. Like, people are making a lot of money with CPA Grip. And so what you can do is you can go to Offer Tools and go to My Offers on the left side and then simply click on Category right over here. So it's going to show you only those offers that pay you per email submission. As you can see, email zip submit, and you want to find offers that actually give real incentive to people to submit their email address. So for example, in this case, you will be paid $2.05 per email that you collect. And whenever someone enters their email address, they will have a chance to win a $750 PayPal gift card. So if you open this up, you can see this is how it's going to look. Like on the right side, you have like the preview, and then you can see that they can basically have a chance to win a $700 PayPal gift card by submitting their email address. And when they submit the email address, you will be paid $2.05, which is perfect because we are looking for those like mass appeal type of offers, because the videos that we will be posting on the platform, which I will share with you, are basically like entertainment type of videos that are being watched by a broad audience. So you can't find a specific type of offer in a specific niche. It has to be something so broad like a giveaway or getting a free gift card or whatsoever. Everyone would like to get a free gift card like $750 and then spend it on whatever they want to. So what you want to do is you want to change the tracking domain. I'm going to be using this one for example, and then copy your affiliate link. This is your special affiliate link that once again, when someone clicks on, if they submit their email address, you will pay $2.05. Now you want to go over to Canada to actually customize that YouTube short which you have previously downloaded. So you want to go to canva.com, click on custom size right over here and select 1080 by 920, and that's going to open up this vertical template down on the left side. Click on uploads and upload that YouTube short which you previously downloaded. Now you can of course fully customize short, and you can change the background music. You can add different effects elements. You can also add text. But what I'm personally going to do is I'm just going to add a headline, which is basically going to say, like at a random point of the video, it's going to say click the link for a chance to win a $750 gift card. And then I'm going to make this white, and I'm going to change the font as well because I don't really like this one. So I'm maybe going to go with Monsterette. This looks a lot better, honestly. So I'm going to reduce the size to, let's say, 40. This is how it's going to look like. And now I will also add some block on the behind so that they can actually distinguish the text from the background. So maybe something like this. Yes, this would probably look perfect. Yeah, right, I think we have it. Alright, this is it. So now it can also pop up on the random part of the video. It doesn't have to go throughout the entire video. You can just post it like for 5 seconds or something like that, just randomly. And then while someone is watching this, I can see like click the link for a chance to win a $750 gift card. So now I will click on share, and I will click on download, and I will download this as an MP4 video. Or what you can also do is you can also download these as GIFs. So for example, you can click on download, which is even going to be easier for you, and just click on GIF and then click on download. We will wait until that loads, and once it does, you will proceed to the next platform where you will actually start building your online business with these YouTube shorts. So now you simply want to proceed to the platform that is being visited by almost 1 billion people every single month. There's a lot of traffic on this platform, and the platform is actually called Pinterest. This is over at the Pinterest.com. You can create an absolutely free account. And once you create an account, you can create your own board and your own pin. So you can click on create and create a pin. And now basically you can just use the same title that they are using in the YouTube short itself. So we'll just go back to that YouTube channel where I got the YouTube short from. So it's this one right over here. And then I will copy this entire title with the credit to the TikTok creator as well. So we are giving them credits. Remember that we're not just going to rip them off of their videos destroying my drawing TikTok Max artist. So now I will click on this button right over here to upload the actual TikTok or YouTube short, and this is how that will basically look like. So we have the TikTok on the left side. It says click the link for a chance to win a $750 gift card, and then in the destination link box you just want to go back and you want to copy your affiliate link once again and just paste that link inside of the destination box. And now you can basically publish this onto Pinterest, and it's going to go live onto the platform that is being visited by almost 1 billion people every single month. For more online business videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. You have got this video informative like this video, and thanks for watching. Once again, if you want to get my personal help to earn $30,000 a month, please check my free video. I will personally help you to earn $30,000 in a month. You will get your first sale in just 24 hours. How good is this? Just check out now.